Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Shopify account. So first, you may want to head over to your Shopify admin page and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on settings and once again in the left panel, scroll down, then click on your profile name. This will redirect you to the general settings for your account. So as you can see, there's a note here that says verification email sent, and our email is currently not verified. And for us to verify our email, all you have to do is head over to your email address. Next is you may want to look for an email from Shopify on your email address that says verify your new email address. And all you have to do is click on that mail. And to verify your email address, just click on the verify email link attached on the mail that you got from Shopify. So you will be asked confirm new email. All you have to do is click on accept. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!